5 tech stories just dropped that are reshaping our world. SpaceX revealed a secret AI device thinner than an iPhone. Apple is suing AI data centers. Google just changed Android forever. TSMC is spending $64 billion. And drone delivery just got a massive talent injection. These aren't rumors. These are happening right now. Let's break them down. Story number 1. SpaceX just showed investors a prototype of Elon Musk's new AI device. And here's the crazy part. It's slimmer than an iPhone. SpaceX, yes, the rocket company, has developed a prototype handset-like device designed to reshape how we interact with AI. They showed it to investors recently, and the device is being described as a completely new form factor for AI interaction. This isn't a phone. It's not a headset. It's something entirely new. Musk is building an AI hardware ecosystem that spans rockets, satellites, brain implants, and now a pocket-sized AI device. If this ships, it could fundamentally change how we interact with AI on a daily basis. Story number 2. Apple is suing AI data centers. Yes, you heard that right. Apple, one of the world's most valuable companies, is taking legal action against the very infrastructure powering the AI revolution. The lawsuit targets how AI data centers operate and potentially how they use data. This is a massive escalation in the tension between big tech companies and the AI infrastructure providers. Apple has been positioning itself as the privacy-first AI company, and this lawsuit signals they're willing to use the courts to enforce that stance. If Apple wins, it could reshape how AI companies build and operate their data centers. The implications are enormous for the entire AI industry. Story number 3. Google just changed Android forever. They're opening Android to rival app stores. For over a decade, Google has tightly controlled app distribution on Android through the Play Store. Now, they're opening the gates. Third-party app stores will be allowed to operate natively on Android, giving developers and users more choice. This is a seismic shift. It means Epic Games, Amazon, Samsung, and others can build their own App Store experiences directly into Android. This move comes amid increasing regulatory pressure worldwide, but Google is getting ahead of it. For users, more competition could mean better prices and more innovation. For Google, it means losing their app distribution monopoly. The mobile app landscape will never be the same. Story number 4. TSMC just lifted their planned 2026 spending to as much as $64 billion. $64 billion. The world's largest chipmaker is pouring unprecedented money into expanding its manufacturing capacity. Why? Because AI chip demand is exploding. Nvidia, AMD, Apple, Qualcomm, they all need more chips and they need them now. TSMC is forecasting revenue growth above 40% this year. That's not normal for a company of this size. Every AI breakthrough, every new robot, every smart device, they all trace back to TSMC's fabrication plants. When TSMC spends $64 billion, it's because the entire tech industry is betting that AI demand will keep accelerating for years to come. Story number 5. Zipline, the drone delivery company, just added former executives from Tesla, Uber, and Waymo to scale drone delivery across the United States. This is a massive talent grab. They're bringing in people who have built autonomous vehicles at the highest level to build autonomous drone delivery at national scale. Zipline has been delivering medical supplies by drone for years. Now they're expanding to everyday package delivery. With ex-Tesla engineers building the tech, ex-Uber executives building the logistics, and ex-Waymo experts handling autonomy, this team is stacked. Drone delivery has been a promise for a decade. This might be the team that finally makes it mainstream. Your Amazon packages could be arriving by drone sooner than you think. 5 stories, one day, and the tech world is moving at warp speed. From SpaceX building a secret AI device to Apple suing the AI infrastructure itself, to Google opening Android, TSMC spending $64 billion, and drone delivery about to go mainstream. This is the most exciting time in tech history. Hit that subscribe button for daily tech and AI coverage. We break down the biggest stories every single day. Which story was your favorite? Drop a comment below. Stay curious. The future is now.